Most people still think AI is just another tool, something useful, something optional. But what if AI isn't a tool? What if it's a replacement?
And the scary part is, most people won't realize they've already lost the race until their industry starts collapsing around them.
Tonight, we're talking about jobs. Who survives? Who disappears? And why millions of people are completely unprepared for what's coming. Jeremy, I still think most people underestimate AI.
Massively. Because most people compare AI to old technology. They think, computers didn't replace everyone. The internet didn't destroy every job.
Why?
Because previous technology mostly replaced physical labor. AI replaces cognitive labor. That changes everything.
Meaning office jobs become vulnerable.
Not just vulnerable, scalable. That's the dangerous part. A company no longer needs 10 copywriters, 5 support agents, 3 researchers, 2 translators. They need one skilled operator using AI tools.
And businesses are already realizing this.
Of course they are. Companies don't exist to preserve jobs. They exist to maximize efficiency. That sounds cold, but it's reality.
What industries do you think are already being hit the hardest?
Entry-level digital work, copywriting, basic design, translation, customer support, simple coding, SEO content.
So the internet economy gets hit first.
Because the internet is easiest to automate. AI doesn't need sleep, breaks, motivation, vacations, insurance.
That's what scares me. People still think AI is coming. But for many industries, it's already here.
Exactly. The layoffs people see today, that's only the beginning.
I think one of the darkest parts is this. People unknowingly trained the systems replacing them.
That's exactly what happened. Millions of people uploaded art, code, articles, tutorials, voices, conversations, and AI learned from all of it.
So humanity basically fed the machine.
For free. That's the insane part. People thought they were building careers online, but in many cases, they were building data sets.
That sounds dystopian.
Because it is.
A lot of people still think companies will slow down AI adoption because of ethics. I don't believe that at all.
Neither do I. Because if one company refuses AI, another company won't. And the second company becomes faster, cheaper, more scalable, more profitable.
So ethics lose against competition.
Usually, yes. Especially in unstable economies.
That's uncomfortable.
Reality usually is.
Do you think AI threatens the middle class specifically?
Absolutely. Because AI attacks predictable, skilled labor. And that's where most middle-class careers exist.
People spent years believing, learn digital skills and you'll be safe.
Exactly. But now, AI can perform many digital tasks instantly, which means average skill levels collapse in value.
So being good enough stops being enough.
That's the future. Average becomes automated. Only exceptional, deeply human, highly creative, highly strategic people become difficult to replace.
So what actually survives?
Jobs involving trust, leadership, human emotion, complex decision-making, unpredictable environments, real-world execution.
So plumbers survive longer than some office workers.
Ironically, yes. Replacing a real-world worker is much harder than replacing a digital workflow.
That completely breaks people's expectations.
Because society taught people the wrong hierarchy. People mocked trades, physical work, manual labor, while glorifying generic office jobs. AI flipped that logic upside down.
I think people also misunderstand something important. AI doesn't need to be perfect to replace workers.
Exactly. It only needs to be cheaper, faster, good enough.
And companies will accept lower quality if profits increase.
Especially at scale. Most corporations optimize for efficiency first, not artistic perfection.
Which explains why so much online content already feels empty.
Because optimization slowly kills humanity in media.
I think another terrifying trend is AI companionship.
That industry is going to explode.
You really think people will emotionally connect to AI?
They already do. Because AI offers instant attention, validation, availability, customization.
While real relationships are difficult.
Exactly. And companies understand this perfectly. Loneliness is profitable.
So what happens over the next 5 years?
3 things. First, massive productivity growth. Second, massive labor disruption. Third, psychological instability.
Explain the last one.
Because work isn't only about money. For many people, work is identity, status, routine, purpose. If millions lose economic relevance, society changes psychologically.
That's bigger than technology.
Much bigger. This becomes a civilization issue.
Let me challenge you. Are people maybe overreacting? Every generation fears new technology.
True, but this time technology imitates intelligence itself. That's historically different.
So you genuinely believe millions of jobs disappear?
I think millions of jobs transform. But many people won't adapt fast enough, and that gap becomes dangerous.
So the real threat isn't AI itself.
It's the speed of change. Humans adapt slowly. Technology doesn't.
The future probably won't arrive like a movie. No robots marching through the streets, no dramatic countdown. Just silent replacement. One industry at a time. One company at a time. One worker at a time.
And by the time most people realize what's happening, the economy may already look completely different.
If you enjoyed this conversation, subscribe to the channel. Because the future is changing faster than most people realize. And here, we're going to understand it together. See you in the next episode.